Creatine doesn't work like caffeine. It's not a pre-workout. You don't feel it kick in right after you take it. It works through daily saturation. If you're only taking it on training days or you're skipping here and there, you're never fully loading your muscles. So take it every single day, workouts or not. Creatine takes 2 to 4 weeks to start making a difference, especially for the older guys. It's not instant and you won't always feel it. The key is to stay consistent, track your strength, and look for small improvements in recovery and performance. Let's talk age for a second. As we get older, our creatine stores are naturally lower and our muscles don't respond quite as quickly to supplementation as they did when we were younger. But that's not a bad thing. It just means creatine might take longer to saturate your muscle tissue, and you may need to stay patient and stay consistent. The payoff for the creatine is still there. It just takes a little more time after the age of 50. Creatine pulls water into your muscle cells. That's part of how it helps with strength and size. But if you're even slightly dehydrated, it can't do that efficiently. Plus, being low on fluids can lead to cramping, slower recovery, and even fatigue. You should be drinking at least 80 to 100 ounces of water per day. More than that if you're active, if you're sweating, or if you're in the hot weather. And most of you watching this are active and you are sweating, and so I would tell you 3 to 4 liters per day would be what you would need when doing creatine for proper hydration. Most people don't realize they're not getting enough water, and this is causing your creatine to be of no value to you whatsoever. When creatine is used correctly, it's one of the best supplements for any man at any age. It supports strength, brain health, and recovery, all things we need, especially as we age.